Let me introduce you to the Activator Technique. Now, an activator is a tool just like this, and you can think of it like a little mini hammer. It's designed to tap the nails back in place, but in this case, the bones and the spine. If I gave you an example, this will click directly on the bones to get the results of moving the bone exactly where we want it to go. And it's so fast that even though it doesn't feel like a lot, it gets the same results as hand adjustments. Typically, I will use this when it comes to people that have osteoporosis and they're more likely to have some sort of fracture or something along those lines. We want to use this to get the same results. Or someone who's even nervous about getting their neck adjusted, for example. We can use this tool to tap the bone back into place and still get the same results we would get with anyone else. It's such an amazing tool that we have in our toolbox here, and it gets tremendous results so that you can start feeling better.